So I'll lay out first the positive financial facts, and then we're going to go into 10 negative financial facts. The 10 positive financial facts are driven by the fact that there is some economic stimulus there. A lot of you who are stock market investors, how many of you, give me a yes if you've been consistently investing in the stock market? How many of you have been investing in the stock market? Give me a yes if you're buying stock consistent. Please, God, tell me that you're investing. I'm praying, I'm begging you to tell me that you're investing. The stock market has been on fire lately. Anybody else notice that? The stock market has been raining money out the dang sky. Some of you are waking up in the morning with thousands of dollars that you did not have before. And I don't care what anybody says. Lord Jesus, that makes me happy. It makes me very happy because at the end of the day, sure, I want to teach you things and I want you to learn things, but I also want to I want to help make your life better. And there are very few things that can make your life better more than having money in your pocket because money is a key. Money is a tool that gives you access to freedom. It gives you access to the things that are going to make you happy. And so when I hear you guys making money, it makes me extremely happy because it's like, okay, we're doing the job, we're getting it done. I just don't see that. I don't see a lot of people that are really trying to really change lives. I see people that are talking about things, but it's like, okay, what are we really going to do? But that was how my mama was. My mom was like, okay, so you told me about the problem. You don't whine about the problem. You don't complain about the problem. Now, how you gonna fix it? And my father was like that too. My father was like, okay, so yeah, okay, he kicked your ass and took your money. What are you gonna do now? Right? And so, so anyway, so this bill is gonna stimulate the stock market basically. Most of these oligarchs, wealthy people, and even Democrat and Republican congressmen and women have tremendous investments in the stock market. Uh, the stock market is wide open. You can invest in it just like they can. If you're not sure how to do it, go to blackwealthmasterplan.com, blackwealthmasterplan.com. Also, we have Stock Market Tuesdays. I have a stock market class. My dissertation was written on the stock market. So you can go to drboystockmarket.com if you want to join us on Tuesdays. You can ask me questions. I'll talk about the stocks that I like, drboystockmarket.com. And Nancy Pelosi, in fact, I think she's worth $250 million, which is really fascinating considering her salary is only about $250,000. She made about 250,000 a year, but she pulled off this amazing magic trick where somehow she's worth $250 million, which that's pretty impressive. But we know why, right? It's the reason why is because both Democrats and Republicans are sort of wired into the same economic information, the same insider trading capability, the same corporate oligarchs that are running the country, and this is what's happened here. This is America. Here's the thing about this bill. First, it offers the largest middle and working class tax cut in U.S. history. The bill delivers what is described as the largest tax cut for middle and working class Americans, with low income workers receiving the largest percentage reduction in tax liability, boosting their disposable income. So their quest for what they claim to be smaller government, which is debatable, leads to tax decreases, which really is exactly the opposite of what the country needs, in my opinion. If you talk about what the government needs to fund itself, really tax cuts can have really long term problems.